Hey everyone, you're driving, everything seems fine, but suddenly your transmission starts acting up, slipping, delayed shifts, or even going into limp mode. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0940 appears. This code points to an issue with the hydraulic pump relay circuit, meaning your transmission isn't getting the necessary hydraulic pressure to function properly. In this video, I'll break down what this code means, where the key sensors are located, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. What is DTC-P0940? DTC-P0940 stands for Hydraulic Pump Relay Circuit Malfunction. This means the relay responsible for powering the hydraulic pump in your transmission is either failing or has an electrical issue. Without proper hydraulic pressure, your transmission can't shift gears smoothly. Common symptoms of P0940. If your car has this code, you might notice slipping or delayed shifting, harsh gear changes, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light or transmission warning light, strange noises from the transmission. Sensor and component location, very important. To fix P0940, you need to locate these key components. Hydraulic pump relay location, usually found in the power distribution box under the hood or near the fuse panel. Function, controls power to the hydraulic pump, ensuring proper transmission fluid pressure. Hydraulic pump location, inside the transmission assembly near the valve body. Function, circulates transmission fluid to maintain pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, location, typically mounted near the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, sends commands to activate the hydraulic pump relay when needed. Wiring and connectors, location, runs between the relay, hydraulic pump, TCM and battery. Function, transfers electrical signals to control the hydraulic pump. Tip, a faulty relay or wiring issue can prevent the hydraulic pump from working, causing erratic shifting. What causes P0940? Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Faulty hydraulic pump relay. The relay isn't sending power to the pump. 2. Blown fuse or damaged wiring. Check for corroded or broken wires. 3. Malfunctioning hydraulic pump. If the pump is weak, pressure drops. 4. Bad transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect relay commands. 5. Low or contaminated transmission fluid can cause pump failure. How to fix P0940. Step 1. Inspect the hydraulic pump relay. Swap the relay with another one of the same type from your fuse box. If the problem is fixed, replace the relay. Step 2. Check the fuses and wiring. Look for blown fuses, damaged wires, or corroded connectors. Repair any damaged wiring. Step 3. Test the hydraulic pump. Listen for a humming noise from the pump when the car is in gear. If the pump is silent, it may need replacement. Step 4. Scan for additional TCM errors. If you see other transmission-related codes, the TCM might be failing. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and see if the issue returns. Final words. Ignoring P0940 can lead to severe transmission damage. Make sure to check the relay, wiring, and hydraulic pump to keep your car running smoothly. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0746, Pressure Control Solenoid Performance. P0747, Pressure Control Solenoid Stuck On. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.